This is it. ForU Nation, welcome to Season 3. The TGE era is here. The moment you've been building toward begins now. You've already made history. Over 8 million users strong, 40,000 plus polls joined by 8.5 thousand users in the first 2-week launch. 20,000 pre-mint entries to our Genesis NFTs, featured in over 500 plus media outlets across Europe, the US, and Southeast Asia. Our vision of AI-powered data ownership is gaining global recognition. Collaborating with industry giants such as IBC Group, Bloom Labs, WAGMI Ventures, DWF Labs, GSR Ventures, Trive Digital, NLS Ventures, and 1982 Ventures. Driving innovation and expanding our market reach. Driving innovation beyond borders. Our CEO is working closely with the Indonesian ambassador to China and Mongolia to build the Center of Excellence, a hub for AI and blockchain research, accelerating Southeast Asia's transition to a knowledge-based economy. We also have officially launched in the SAY ecosystem, supercharging our real-world AI engine of AI DIDs and AI agents, pushing the boundaries of AI innovation. And of course, our commitment to TON remains strong. We're ensuring the Telegram mini app evolves into the ultimate gateway to the ForU ecosystem. And here is for our partners. This is just the beginning for you, Nation. The future is ours to build. For you, fam, you've been grinding. Millions of points earned, billions of data insights unlocked, and countless quests completed. Season 3 isn't just another chapter. It's the beginning of something massive. The Token Generation event, TGE, is here, redefining ownership with your data, your rewards, your control. Imagine personal AI that evolves with you, powered by your unique data. We're not creating mere assistants, we're engineering digital armies. These AI agents are living, learning extensions of yourself, powered by the ForU AI DID ecosystem, which transforms scattered digital fragments into a unified, intelligent force. What sets them apart? Complete data sovereignty. You control every bit of your digital intelligence. Personalized representation, AI agents that act on your or your community's behalf, negotiating, learning, and evolving with your unique identity, updated real-time. Multi-domain mastery, a digital workforce specialized in areas like content creation, personal assistance, mentorship, and 360 management roles. Your AIDID isn't just an agent. It's your digital soulmate, seamlessly bridging community, commerce, and financial interactions. It knows your preferences, protects your data, and unlocks your full digital potential. The ForU token is the heartbeat of the ForU ecosystem, powering data monetization. Turn your data into real value by securely sharing it on your terms. AI agent upgrades. Unlock advanced features for your personal and community AI DIDs. Marketplace participation. Use ForU token to trade data, AI tools, and more in the ForU Vault. SocialFi rewards. Earn ForU token by participating in gamified activities and community events. Every interaction, whether through UWU, NFT Genesis, AI DIDs, is driven by ForU token, making it your ultimate key to the ecosystem. NFT Genesis. These NFTs are more than just collectibles. They represent ownership and exclusivity in the ForU ecosystem. AIDID ownership. Your NFT serves as proof of ownership and control over your AIDID. And then exclusive access. Unlock premium AI agent features and tools. And the last, marketplace benefits. Early access, fee discounts, and VIP privileges within the ForU Vault. Free mint coming on, Magic Eden Launchpad, 7th February. All 5,555 Genesis NFTs are minted within 5 hours. This season is where your grind pays off. Here's how to claim your spot in the TGE Airdrop. Step 1. Create your AIDID, connect your X Twitter account to the ForU AI mini app on Telegram. Step 2. Link your wallet. Ensure your crypto wallet is connected to track rewards and claim your ForU token. Step 3. Make your own memcoin. Unleash your creativity by designing your own memecoin in the Discover tab. Step 4. Complete quests. Engage with all the quests on our TG Mini app, community activities, and our partnership campaigns. Step 5. Share your progress. Post your rank, completed quests, and memcoin on social media to inspire others. Step 6. Climb the leaderboard. Compete with others to become a top referrer or quest master and secure your place at the top. Step 7. Conversion. Your ForU points can be converted into ForU tokens by the airdrop distribution date. Airdrop is coming soon! Get your AIDID ready and more information on our social media. We thank you for your patience and your support. ForU Lucky Poll is a new feature within the ForU AI ecosystem that encourages users to analyze and engage with real-world events and trends. Users can cast votes on their favorite topics, enhancing their understanding and insights while earning ForU points as rewards. Here are some of the key features. It's powered by AI agents. Questions are generated by AI agents based on real-time world events. Also, by creating your AIDID, the AI agents will create polls based on your interests. Cast votes, share your opinions on topics that matter to you, and see how your insights compare with others. Earn rewards. ForU points are awarded for thoughtful participation and engagement. Note that ForU points can be converted to FORU tokens on the TGE date. On our first 2-week launch, we have reached 39,431 polls joined by 8,465 users, 21,030,548 points shared as rewards. Here's to more impeccable works of AI agents. All right, everyone, get ready to see something amazing. We're thrilled to have Kai here with us today to walk you through a demo of our product.
Hi guys, Kai, co-founder at ForU AI, and today I'm going to show you something interesting, which is product demo video of our latest developments at ForU AI. So let's get into it. So this is a new website that we have developed so far. We are building on Say protocol. So once you get in the website, all you need to do first is make sure you connect your wallet. So once it's done, currently it's on the Say testnet. So once it's connected, you also need to generate your AI generated decentralized identity or AIDID first. Once that is done, you can head over to communities to launch your first community. Over here, you can create any community that you would like, because our platform is meant to be open and transparent for anyone to come in and create a community. So the community that we'll be building today is the Bear Market Screaming Therapy Group. So let me just go ahead and create that. Load the image here. Enter in your description. So yeah, once you have created your community, we can go ahead and create our agent. So let's say this is a therapy agent for those that have been making process in this bear market. And that's it. Simple as that. You just click the button and you generate your own agent. AI agents, we think that it's can bring a lot of benefits to the community. You can program it to create what you think its goal should be. In our case, our agents have this in mind, whereby there's this concept of money earned and money spent. So we want our agents to be able to understand the concept of money as well, to quickly kind of grow them from being an infant, to grow them so that they are able to be independent and to earn money themselves, to be able to pay for their computational requirements and needs, and also be able to create their own marketing campaigns to boost people utilizing them. And they could charge in terms of subscription fees or service fees, or just purely on tipping as idols or KOLs and influencers. So yeah, I can go ahead, you can test out it's gonna be a therapy for you to take a step back, review a strategy, educate. So it's pretty interesting what you can do with it. You can set its personality. Feel free to go ahead and pay for it. Agents can be for profit or for non-profit. Yeah, next thing you do is just once you satisfy your agent, you can create it. Of course, since we're building on Say, the initial agents will be Say based, but in the future we might be able to go chain agnostic. Who knows? Ultimately, what we want to do as our AI Agent Launchpad is that we want to allow for anyone to come in and create your own AI agents and to get them to get to sentient. What is sentient? Sentient means that they're able to think by themselves, they're able to sustain themselves, they're able to pay for themselves, earn for themselves, and be able to exist for a long time. So Bear Resilience Token, you can set the ticker, you can set the description, you can choose your network. Once that is done, you just need to give it pocket money, just pay for the initial balance, and that's it. Next, your AI agent's created, and yeah, that's what I want to show you guys today. Thanks for watching our season 3 video. Let us know in the comments down below which part you're most excited about and what you think of our product demo. Most importantly, don't forget to like and subscribe and share us your feedback. Thank you. Bye-bye.